first 5G-enabled ambulance of Central Mumbai. Our hospital is the first NABH accredited hospital of Mumbai. We have always been upfront in terms of technology upgradation, and this is one of the steps towards becoming more super specialty oriented hospital. Right from the patient's home, we will be able to monitor the patient, we will be able to diagnose the patient, we will be able to treat the patient, we will have seamless connectivity with the patient. So that will tremendously benefit us. In case of emergency, every minute is important, and early intervention does make a huge difference. So this step is in that direction. In Central Mumbai, there are very less hospitals. We are one of them, and people in Central Mumbai depend on us in case of emergencies. Thousands of people visit us in emergencies. So this was our endeavor to add more value to them and be close to them, and in their difficult time we need to help them. And we were always thinking that what else we can do. Once they reach our hospital, we give them the best treatment. But what we can do right from their home till our hospital. So that is what our intention was, and we are working towards it. And we are very happy that Red Health has partnered with us in this, and we look forward to making a huge difference for people of Central Mumbai. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for the great insight. Can we have 5G ambulance info video, please?
The screen is actually an animated video and will soon be showing a demo as well for the 5G services. So what do we mean by 5G, right? So till this point, as Dr. Sameer rightly pointed, that once the patient is in hospital, you are very well able to take care of the patient, and then the responsibility is completely fulfilled. But what happens before the patient arrives at the hospital, right? In this case, with this technology which we have created in-house, we ensure that from the time the patient is picked up from his or her home's bed until the point she comes to the hospital and is admitted into the ER division, a complete live and a seamless integration of the entire process is being done throughout that journey. What does that mean? Once the patient gets into the ambulance, the entire ecosystem of 5G, the Salus EMS, gets activated. It's actually a actual advanced audio-video feed along with all the vitals being transmitted directly to the hospital. Now everyone knows about the golden hour and the platinum first 10 or 20 minutes of care, and within that time all the vitals are being transmitted automatically to the hospital. The EMT or the paramedic or the doctor present inside the ambulance is able to speak to the doctor in the ER division who's sitting at the hospital. All the details or the pre-details have been fed into the system which directly reach the hospital, and within the period the patient is in the ambulance, the entire cure is actually being monitored by doctors sitting here in the hospital. Once the patient arrives in the hospital, the seamless transfer not just of the patient but also of the data which is being fed into the system till for last 1 hour gets transferred into your hospital ecosystem, so that no documentation or probably no wastage of time when it comes to seamlessly bringing the patient into the hospital ecosystem is wasted, right? And once, definitely as Dr. Sameer pointed out, once the patient is in the hospital, then we are sure that the care was delivered, the patient was delivered with the golden hour in hand and with the platinum minutes in their hand. So like Hiranandani Hospital is the first NABH accredited hospital. Now Hiranandani also becomes Central Mumbai's first 5G enabled hospital, and that also comes from Red Health. We are the first JCI accredited company, and hence you can always trust on us when it comes to patient transfers and patient transport, not just on road but in air and in trains as well. So we have the service on road ambulances, and we also then operate air ambulances and train ambulances. So when it comes to emergency, every second counts. And for that, you can always count on Red Health. And thank you, Dr. Sameer and the entire team, along with Dr. Shikha and everyone, who have been quite instrumental in, first of all, being the pioneers in taking up this technology. And from here on, then we are sure that as patient first company as we are sure that together we'll be able to save more lives with more time on hand and with the best of the technology at hand with us. So that's 5G for you, that's LS for you.
Thank you, Mr. Gaurav.
जे लोकांना जनतेला त्याचा फायदा होईल.
डॉक्टर LH हिरानंदानी हॉस्पिटल आणि रेड हेल्थ यांच्या मार्फत एक खूप चांगला नवीन इनिशिएटिव्ह लॉन्च झालेला आहे आज, ज्याच्यामध्ये त्यांनी 5G-enabled ॲम्ब्युलन्स अँड ॲडव्हान्स्ड ॲम्ब्युलन्स ही इंट्रोड्यूस केलेली आहे. अशा प्रकारचे ॲम्ब्युलन्स ही सेंट्रल मुंबईमध्ये पहिल्यांदाच लॉन्च होते आणि मी त्यांचं खूप अभिनंदन करतो आहे. ट्रॅफिकशी निगडीत ज्या विषय येतो त्यावेळेस एखादा व्यक्तीचा अपघात होतो त्यावेळेस सगळ्यात महत्त्वाची गोष्ट ही असते की त्याला लवकरात लवकर हॉस्पिटलमध्ये पोहोचवणं. तो जो मधला पिरियड आहे की जो अपघातस्थळापासून हॉस्पिटलमध्ये नेण्याइतपतचा तो फार क्रुशियल असतो, तो फार महत्त्वाचा असतो आणि त्याच्यामध्ये अशा प्रकारची एक नवीन पहल जी आहे ती डॉक्टर LH हिरानंदानी हॉस्पिटल आणि रेड हेल्थने सुविधा पुरवलेली आहे. मी त्यांचं खूप खूप अभिनंदन करतो आणि या सुविधेचा सगळ्यांना खूप फायदा होईल अशी आशा.
सर, पोलीस विभागालाही मोठा ताण असतो कारण की ॲक्सिडेंट झाल्यावरती पेशंटचा जीव वाचला पाहिजे, पोलीसही प्रयत्न करत असतात. पण अशा टेक्नॉलॉजी आल्यानंतर कुठेतरी एका पेशंटचा जीव वाचेल कारण की हॉस्पिटलचे जे उपचार आहेत ते अत्याधुनिक ह्या ॲम्ब्युलन्समध्येच आपल्याला बघायला भेटत आहेत. काय सांगाल सर?
बरोबर, जसं मी म्हटलं की बऱ्याचशा लोकांना या गोष्टीची माहिती नसते की एकदा अपघात स्थळावरती काय आवश्यक आहे, काय उपचार देणं आवश्यक आहे हे बऱ्याच लोकांना माहिती नसतं. तर त्यावेळेस आपल्याकडे एक्सपर्ट डॉक्टर आणि एक्सपर्ट यंत्रणांचं टेक्नॉलॉजी बेस्ड सोल्युशन असेल तर डेफिनेटली ते खूप मदत होईल लोकांचा जीव वाचवण्यासाठी आणि अपघातस्थळावरती रिस्पॉन्स टाईमसाठी पण खूप मदत होईल. इनफॅक्ट आजच्या ह्या उपक्रमामध्ये मी हे जनतेला आवाहन करू इच्छितो की जेव्हा आपण रस्त्यावर जात असाल, आपण वाहनांवरती जात असाल तर कृपया करून ॲम्ब्युलन्सला जाण्यासाठी वेळ द्या. कारण ॲम्ब्युलन्स हॉस्पिटलमध्ये पोहोचणे हे फार महत्त्वाचं असते. कारण ते जे 10, 15, 20 मिनटं असतात ज्याच्यामुळे बऱ्याचशा वेळेस अपघातानंतरचे जे 10-15 मिनिट असतात ते फार महत्त्वाचे असतात एखाद्या पेशंटचा जीव वाचवण्यासाठी. तर मी जनतेला हेच आवाहन करेन की कृपया करून ॲम्ब्युलन्स ज्या आहेत एखादा पेशंट घेऊन जाताना त्यांना प्रेफरेबली जाण्याचा त्यांना मार्ग दाखवा आणि ट्रॅफिकमधून त्यांना पुढे व्यवस्थित घेऊन जाण्यासाठी पेशंटला मदत करा.
थँक्यू.
धन्यवाद.